Hey guys, what's going on? I got one here that the guy said it was froze up. Uh, it's gonna be the defrost thermostat, but I thought I'd show this right here. Look at that. It's just about the right size corner for a dog to piss on, ain't it? I let him know about it. I was working on it. I believe it was in the summertime. I had to do something to it, but I told him about it then. It don't look like it's done any good, so that's what happens when you let the dogs go to work on it. Everything in here, the pressures were looking good, but the defrost thermostat's not making and letting the board go into defrost, so I'm gonna get busy putting another sensor on it. You guys have a good one. Hey, this is just a little recap of that one that I was just telling you about, the defrost sensor. What I've got is I've got this one. This is the old one. I got some ice water, and this is continuity here, but it's been in there just a few minutes. I've got my meter hooked up to my 2 leads, but I'm just seeing, if I have any continuity going through it. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's reading open. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my new sensor in it. See what this one does. There it goes. There it is. Thanks, guys.